I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 11, Project Codes. Objective: students will learn how to create and assign a project code to projects. What is a project code? Project codes classify and categorize projects according to your organizational needs. What are the attributes of a project code? Project codes are global, which means they are available to all projects in the database. Filter and organize projects based on your organization's requirements. Projects' code values can be organized in a hierarchy. Here are the steps on how to use a project code. Step 1. Select Enterprise, then Project Codes. Step 2. Click Modify to add new project codes. Step 3. Add a new code value and description. Step 4. Open Projects window. Step 5. Assign project codes to projects. Step 6. Apply filters and group and sort. Welcome to our class exercise. Let's create the following project codes. Add its value and description. We will assign the project codes to projects. Lastly, we'll see how the filter and group and sort works. Let's open P6 and start the exercise. Let's go to Enterprise menu, then Project Codes. The Project Code dialog box appears. Let's click Modify. Project Code definitions appear. In default, we have Project Location. Add now, Project Responsibility. Click Close. Select Project Location, Project Code. Click Add. Add Australia and Thailand. Now select Project Responsibility. Now add KBR, add JGC, add Chiyoda, click Close. Now, let's assign project codes to projects. Let's open first the columns for the following project code. Click Apply, OK. The two project codes appears in the column. Click Civil Project, then click Assign. Choose Australia. You can select many projects by pressing Ctrl on the keyboard. Assign Australia. For fabrication project, select Thailand. Next, assign the project code responsibility. For all site development projects, assign KBR. For all process area projects, assign JGC. For all utilities area projects, assign Chiyoda. Fabrication projects, assign KBR. Now let's try the filter, how it works. Choose Filter by Customize. Click New. Click drop-down arrow, then select Project Responsibility. Under Value column, select KBR. Click OK. Click OK. Now, we see all KBR projects only. To bring it back, click Filter, then click All. Now, select the Layouts view, then Group and Sort by. Select Project Location, Project Code. To bring it back, under Group and Sort by, select EPS. This concludes our exercise. Thank you very much.